In programming, data type represent the kind of value that variable can hold. Like I'm going to explain you of common data types in easy way. So string, what is string? Like in data types there are two types of data types, right? Like in JavaScript have a several built-in data types, and they can be broadly categorized into group, right? Primitive data types and object data types. So in primitive data types, string is there, right? And number is there, booleans, right? So I'm going to explain you about JavaScript about data types. What is data types, right? So data types are the classification of value that determine the possible operations on those value, and they stored in the memory. JavaScript has several built-in data types, and they can be broadly categorized into group: primitive data types and object data types. And primitive data types, numbers, represent both integers and floating point number, right? And example like let age is equal to 25, it is an integer, and let's height is equal to 5.8 is a floating point number. Come to the second point, string. Let's name, right? What is a string? It represents a sequence of character includes in single or double quotes, right? See example, let name. Let name is equal to John, it is in double quotes. Let message is equal to hello world, this is in single quotes. When I make a single quotes, this is single quotes, this one, right? You can see my cursor, this one single quote, this is double quotes. So what is a string? Represent a sequence of character enclosed in a single and double quotes. What is a boolean, right? What is boolean? See, represent a logic value either true or false. It is a boolean. Let is student, right, is equal to true. Let's has car is equal to false, right? Undefined. What is undefined? Represent the absence of a value or an initialized variable, right? Example, let undefined var, right? This is null. Represent the intentional absence of. What is null? Null is like represent the intentional absence of any object value. Let null value is equal to null, right? What is big? Int represent the whole numbers is larger than the maximum safe integer, right? To the power of 53 point minus 1, right? So example, const big integer, right, is equal to this number 1n. What is symbol? Const symbol is equal to symbol bracket comma single quotes unique symbol quotes close. What is symbol? Represent a unique identifier often used to create object property that cannot add, accidentally accessed or modified. This is symbol. Come to the point of object data type. There are two types, right? Object and primitive data types and object data types. Now data type, the second object data types. I'm going to explain you all. Object, it is like a represent a collections of key value pairs. Example, let person name alias age 30 is equal to false. An array. Array represent an order list of value. Let color red, green, blue. This is array because it is in the bracket and represent an order list of values. Okay. What is the function? Represent a reusable block of code. Reusable block of code. Example, function grade name. Okay, then what I have to do, then return hello if, right? Date represent a specific point in time. Example, let's current date equal to new date, right? Reg experiment. Example, a regular expression object for pattern matching. Let's pattern equal to this match variable digit. So this is the explanation of JavaScript theory in easy way. I explain you all about what is the data types, and in data types there's a two that data types, one primitive data type and second is object data types. So let's meet in